Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see a numerical on BBS of rectangular column. So let's see first the problem statement. See the problem statement they have given, work out the quantity of steel for a rectangular column with following data. They have given that you have to calculate the quantity of steel for a rectangular column, and they have given the following data. Size of column is 230 by 450 mm, height of column is 5000 mm, cover to the reinforcement is 40 mm, main steel is 8 numbers, and the diameter of main steel is 12 mm diameter bar, and the type of main steel is torch steel. The links are 8 mm diameter mild steel stirrups or links, and they are spaced at 150 mm center to center, and they have also given the cross section of the column. So let's see how you can solve this numerical and how you can calculate the steel quantity. See, first what I will do, I will write the given data, that is width of column is 230 mm, depth of column is 450 mm, height of column is 5000 mm, that is in meter it is 5 meter, or you can also convert these values also. 230 mm, that is 0.23 meter, 450 mm depth, that is 0.45 meter. Then diameter of main steel is 12 mm, in meter it will be 0.012. I have divided it by 1000. Then how you can calculate the volume of steel? First I will calculate the volume of steel. See, what is the formula for volume? Volume is nothing but area into length. So area of steel you can calculate by pi by 4 into d square, and length of bar is nothing but the height of column, because total the vertical bar will be nothing but your height, it will be along the height of column. So what I will do, first I will calculate the volume of main steel. So the formula is area of steel into length of bar. Area of steel will be given by pi by 4 into d square. As the diameter is 0.012, that's why I have taken pi by 4 into 0.012 square. Now what is this 8? These are the number of bars. They have given 8 number of main steel bar. So that's why I have multiplied number by the area, because there are total 8 bars, such bars. And at last I will multiply it by the length of bar, that is 5 meter. So which comes as 0.00452 meter cube. This is the volume. Now the only part remaining is to calculate the volume of torch steel or main steel. Now we have calculated the volume of steel. Let's calculate the weight of torch steel. So how you can calculate the weight? See, it is the multiplication of volume of steel by density of steel. See, the volume of steel is, we have calculated, it is 0.00452 meter cube, and remember, density of steel is always taken as 7850 kg per meter cube. Generally the density of steel is 7850 kg per meter cube. So what I have done here, volume, I have multiplied volume of steel by the density of steel, that is 0.0452 multiplied by 7850. So which comes as 35.51 kg. This is the total weight of torch steel or main steel, you can say. Now we have calculated the weight of main steel, and its type of steel is torch steel. Now let's calculate the weight of mild steel links, that is mild steel ties in the column. So how you can calculate? See, in the next slide I will show you. See, we have to do one calculation. Volume of links will be area of links into length of links, but we don't know area of links and also the length of links. So what I will do, I will first calculate the area of links. Area of links will be simple. It will be diameter of link divided by 1000, that is 8 divided by 1000, that is 0.008 meter. And see, the number of links are also not given. So you can calculate it. How you can calculate number of links? It is height of column divided by spacing plus 1. Remember this formula. How you can calculate the number of links in a column? It is height of column divided by the spacing of links plus 1. Height of column is 5000 mm. They have given here, divided by spacing. Spacing is 150 mm center to center plus 1. So which comes as 34.33 numbers. In round figure, I have taken it as 35 number. Now, how we can calculate the volume of links? See, we have calculated the area of links, but length of links is remaining. So, I will calculate this length, total length. That is, see, this length plus this plus this plus this. That is nothing but your perimeter, no? So, I will calculate the perimeter. So, how you can calculate it or how you can find out it? See, the length of links. First, I will calculate this length, B dash and D dash. What is B dash? It is total width of column minus cover from both the sides. That is 230 minus 40 minus 40, or you can say 230 minus 2 into 40. That is what I have written here. B dash will be total width of column minus 2 times the cover. Cover is 40 mm, that is 230 minus 2 into 40, which comes as 150 mm. Then similarly you can calculate D dash value. What is D dash? 450 minus 2 times cover, that is cover from this side and subtracting cover from this side. So that is what I have written here, 450 minus 2 into 40, which comes as 370 mm. Now if you want to find out the perimeter of links, how you can find out the perimeter? It will be addition of all these values, this plus this plus this plus this. But remember one thing, we have to also add this value, that is anchorage length, or you can say length of anchoring. So how you can calculate that? It is taken as 24 phi, and you have to deduct the bends also. See, there are 90-degree bends and there are 3 such bends, that is bend 90-degree bend at this point and this point. So there are 3 bends, such bends, 90-degree bends, and it is taken as 2D. Remember this, I have written here also, bends will be 2D for 90-degree bend, and number is n. Is what is n? N is number of 90-degree bends. See, 90-degree bends are here, here and here. There are 3 such bends, and this is extra length. This is extra length that is you have to add, and that extra length is taken as 24 phi. So the total perimeter will be 2 times B dash D dash, that is 2 times. Why I have taken 2 times? It is B dash, this length plus this length. Similarly, D dash is this length plus this length. That's why I have taken 2 times B dash D dash plus 24 phi. How 24 phi? This value, this anchor length, or you can say this hook length. Hook length will be 24 phi, this and this, and minus bends. There are 3 90-degree bends, this and this. So that is the formula. I will put the values here. See, 2 into B dash. What is B dash? It is 150. D dash is 370 plus 24 into phi. Phi is the diameter of bar. In this case, links are 8 mm diameter. That's why 24 into 8 minus 3. What is 3? Number of 90-degree bends. This and this. So that is 3 into 2D. I have written here 2D for 90 degrees. So 2D means 2 into diameter. That is 8 mm. So which comes as 1184 mm, or in meter it is 1.184 meter. Now we have calculated the length of links also. Let's calculate the volume of links. What is volume of links? Area into length into number. Number we have calculated is it is 35. Area will be pi by 4 into 0.008 whole square, that is pi by 4 into d square, into length is 1.184. So which comes as 0.00265 meter cube. This is the volume of links. Now we have calculated the volume. Similarly, you can calculate the weight of links, which you have calculated in the previous steps. How you calculated the main steel weight was calculated by volume into density. So how you will calculate? See, weight of links will be volume into density. Volume we have calculated, it is 0.00265 meter cube, and I have told you in the previous step that density of steel is taken as 7850 kg per meter cube. So this 0.00265 into 7850 will give you a value of 20.82 kg. So the total weight of links will be 20.82 kg, and we have also calculated the main steel in the previous step. So this was the video on BBS of rectangular column. You can even create a table for this BBS table, but for the explanation purpose I have given you the detailed steps how the value came, how you can do the detailed analysis, or you can say detailed calculations of this bar lengths and all numbers, how you can calculate this date, how you can deduct this bend deductions, how you can take hook lengths. So all I have given here in the detailed explain. For the detailed explanation I have written the description of this, and you can convert it into the standard format of BBS. So this was the step, or this was the video on BBS of rectangular column. Thank you.